All right, for the TikTok story, we're going to break it down. Why did you pull me over? We tell you to say this because under Supreme Court ruling, the cops have only 8 to 9 minutes to write you a ticket. So we want to establish the traffic stop as soon as they come up. Because, just because lights go off behind us, we got to pull over to the right. We don't know what's going on. We don't know what's going on. There's an emergency. Lights go off. We got to pull over. The cop comes up. Maybe your tire tread's low. Maybe your blinkers are out. Who knows? And they don't want to establish the traffic stop because they want to look in every crack and crevice of your car. So, why did you pull me over? Starts the clock ticking. Now it's a pullover. They should tell you why. And then you go on to the rest of the script. Here it comes. I'm not discussing my day. That's the next part of the script after you've said, why did you pull me over? They've answered you. And now, no matter what they say, see, this is where I'm not discussing my day is so great because it works for any single question that cop might pose. And remember, they're out here trying to get you to incriminate yourself. So they might lie to you. They might say, who knows what they're going to say. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you're going, where you're coming from, why are your eyes red, what have you had to drink, what's that smell, why are you coughing, why are you nervous, why are you sweating. It doesn't matter. Those cops can say anything. You say, I'm not discussing my day. Politely, calmly, de-escalating, I'm not discussing my day. And now, am I being detained or am I free to go? So you've said, why did you pull me over? I'm not discussing my day. And no matter what the cop says after that. Now, here's where you're going to find out what kind of cop you have. Because cops that understand your rights and respect the Constitution at this point are going to realize you know your rights. They're going to have looked all in and about your car and haven't seen anything and don't see any trouble. So likely they're going to give you a warning, maybe give you that ticket they pulled you over for, or just let you go on about your day. But if that's not the case, and you get the cop who's pissed off that you know your rights, because now their job's harder to do, and they're going to give you more flack, they're going to lie to you, they're going to try to scare and intimidate you and say more things to frustrate you, you say, am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go? Put them to the task. Let them know you know that they've got to make a decision right now. Let them make that decision. Hopefully they let you go. But if they detain you, well, all right, that's it. Now they've said you are being detained. Get out of the car, comply, make sure your windows are rolled up, your car's locked. You never consent to searches. But when they say you're being detained, now you must say, I invoke the Fifth. Our Supreme Court has said you must speak in order to invoke your right to silence. Go figure. Sounds crazy. But you must do it. You must speak to invoke your right to silence. You must be explicit in your intent to invoke that Fifth Amendment right. So you say, I invoke the Fifth. So there are no questions whatsoever. I invoke the Fifth. Then, shut the fuck up. Oh, you just shut the fuck up when cops ask questions. That's it. That's the 25 words broken down for you one by one. Shut the fuck up when cops ask questions.